You're watching How Leap. Let's change your current city on Facebook. Open the Facebook app on your phone or go to facebook.com on a browser. Tap the menu icon 3 lines on mobile or click your profile picture. Go to your profile by tapping your name. On your profile, tap Edit Profile below your cover photo. Scroll down to find the Places You've Lived section. Tap Add a City or the pencil icon next to your current city. Select Current City from the options. Type your new city name and select it from the drop-down list. You can set the start year to the present. Choose the privacy setting for who can see this info using the audience selector icon. Tap Save to update. Your current city is now changed on your profile. If you want to remove a previous city, go to the same section, tap the 3 dots next to the city entry, and select Delete. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.